Welcome to Remedy Science. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of us face: dandruff. If you've been dealing with those pesky flakes and itching, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing some effective home remedies to tackle dandruff naturally. Say goodbye to those annoying flakes and hello to a healthier scalp. Let's get started. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is derived from the leaves of the tea tree, Melaleuca alternifolia. It has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help reduce the overgrowth of yeast on the scalp, a common cause of dandruff. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties. It contains fatty acids that can penetrate the hair shaft and provide hydration to the scalp. It also has antimicrobial properties that may help combat the yeast responsible for dandruff. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, making it a good moisturizer for the scalp. Warm the oil slightly before applying it, and use a shower cap to enhance absorption. Neem oil. Neem oil is derived from the neem tree and is known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Mixing a few drops with the carrier oil and massaging it into the scalp can help combat dandruff. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Applying aloe vera gel to the scalp can help reduce redness and itching associated with dandruff. Look for pure aloe vera gel or extract it directly from the plant. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells from the scalp. However, it's essential to use it sparingly, as it can be drying. Mix a small amount with water to form a paste and massage it into the scalp before rinsing thoroughly. Yogurt. The probiotics in yogurt may help restore the balance of the scalp's microbiome. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt and apply it directly to the scalp. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing it out. Lemon juice. Lemon juice's acidity can help reduce dandruff and control oil production on the scalp. However, it can be drying, so it's advisable to dilute it with water before application. Garlic. Garlic has natural antifungal properties. Crush a few cloves and mix them with a carrier oil before applying to the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out. Fenugreek seeds. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight, then blend them into a paste. Apply the paste to your scalp, leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then wash it out. Fenugreek has antifungal properties and can help soothe the scalp. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tips. Share your favorite home remedies in the comments, and say goodbye to dandruff naturally. See you in the next video.